Welcome to this lesson on cloud computing, the future of computing. Today, we are stepping into one of the most important technologies shaping the modern world. From the apps we use every day to the systems that power global businesses, cloud computing is everywhere. In this lesson, we will learn what the cloud really is, how it works, and why it has become essential for organizations and individuals. Whether you are a beginner or just curious, this lesson will give you a clear foundation to build on. Let's get started. The overview of cloud computing and why it matters today is it delivers computing services over the internet, reduces cost, and increases flexibility. Used by individuals, businesses, and government. What is the cloud computing? That's the question. Cloud computing provides on-demand access to share computing resources like servers, storage, databases, networking, accessed through the internet. Pay-as-you-go model. Now, why cloud computing is important? Key benefits that make cloud computing widely adopted is because it saves cost, scalability, high performance, and global accessibility, automatic update. Types of cloud computing services. We have three main services models in cloud computing. The infrastructure as a service, the platform as a service, and the software as a service. Infrastructure as a service provides visualized computing resources, virtual machines, storage and networking. User manages operation system and apps. Example, AWS, EC2, Azure, VMS. Platform as a service provides a platform for developers to build applications. Pre-configured environment. No need to manage servers. Faster development. Example is Google App Engine, Azure App Services. Software as a service. Ready to use software delivered over the internet. No installation required. Subscription-based, accessible from any device. Example, Gmail, Microsoft 365, and Canva. Cloud development models. We have cloud development models. That's another model of cloud. Different ways cloud services can be deployed. They can be deployed through public cloud. Cloud services can be deployed through private cloud. through hybrid cloud and community cloud. Let's see how all this will happen. In the public cloud, cloud services offered over the public internet. They are shared infrastructure, cost-effective, highly scalable. Example, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Private cloud, cloud infrastructure dedicated to one organization is called a private cloud. More control. It is highly security and customizable, used by banks and government. We have hybrid cloud. This is a combined public and private cloud environment. This cloud services is flexible, balances cost and security. Ideal for large organizations. We have community cloud. In the community cloud, this is shared by organizations with similar needs. Costs shared among members, used by universities and the research groups. They are the ones that use community cloud. The key features of cloud computing. Core characteristics that define cloud services are on-demand self-services, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. Examples of cloud providers. Major companies that offer cloud services are Amazon Web Services, that is AWS. We have Microsoft Azure, and we have Google Cloud Platform, GCP. We have IBM Cloud and Oracle Cloud. These are the organizations that offer cloud services to companies, to individuals, to what have you. Now, the cloud storage. Storing data online instead of on local devices. Accessibility anywhere. That is the benefit, the need of cloud storage. You store it instead on the local devices that these ones use it, accessible anywhere, automatic backup. It cannot be disrupted anyhow. Example, Google Drive, Google OneDrive, and the Dropbox. All these, they use what? Cloud. Cloud security. Protecting cloud-based systems and data. Identity and access management, encryption, firewalls, and compliance standard. These are the way cloud can be secure. These things I mentioned here. Then, advantages of cloud computing. They have advantages. Benefit of using cloud services because they are low cost, high availability, disaster recovery, easy collaboration, and fast deployment. That is it. We have challenges of cloud computing. There is also challenges, which is limitations and a risk to consider. Internet dependency, data privacy concerns, vendor lock-in, and the downtime risk. We have real users of cloud computing. How cloud computing is used in everyday life. Streaming, Netflix and YouTube, they use it so much. Online storage, they use cloud for online storage. E-commerce uses cloud every day. Banking apps use cloud. Remote network tools they use cloud every day. Wrapping up cloud computing lesson. Great work completing this lesson on cloud computing. You have learned what the cloud is, the different services, model, deployment model, and why cloud technology is transforming the way we store, manage, and access information. As you continue your IT journey, cloud computing will appear again and again in cybersecurity, in networking, in software development, and even everyday app. So this foundation will serve you well. Thank you for learning with me today. In the next lesson, we will continue building your skill step by step. See you there. Subscribe, comment, and like our channel. We will cooperate with you all the time. Thank you and be blessed.